Did you know that billions of people are affected by systems that require water analysis? The data collection for these systems is extremely inefficient, unreliable, and expensive.
So the expenses for pH testing is also very significant. For example, if a pH tester was going to Shanghai to check the pH of the Yangtze River, the round trip for a 6-person crew from New York City to Shanghai would be about $7,600. Besides that, the total equipment, including computers, pH testers, tables, etc., is about $700. In total, that's about $8,300.
It takes approximately 4 hours for just a single day of testing. Most of the time is taken up with the scientists trying to set up their table and the equipment for the testing. A lot of the time is also taken up with scientists having to go to different spots around the body of water and take the test manually.
Right now, data collection isn't very accurate. Data can be easily lost through broken laptops, lost paper, or paper ruined by the water. Additionally, there's not a very large sample size as data collection in this system is very inefficient.
Advanced pH testing methods, such as the ones we have developed, will significantly alter the course of the environment, specifically water, and help labs expand their field of research. Now, first, tackling the environment, we have things such as water treatment facilities and sewage facilities, which can definitely improve because our advanced pH testing methods will allow them to eliminate bacteria with a greater margin of error than ever before. So, what that allows us to do is give precise and accurate measurements to help eliminate the bacteria and help put the water at a specific pH to where bacteria simply cannot survive. Now, talking about the companies, the fact of the matter is, both in research and in application, they need to ensure that the pH is precise and the data is available accurately and quickly. And that's exactly what we provide.
This is our rudimentary design model for our finished product. The first component is a drone. The drone has to be able to give a HD live video feed and have a range for up to 1.2 miles. The second component is our pH tester. The pH tester can measure many things, including the pH, the ammonia levels, chlorine levels, and it will also be connected to the cloud and contain a micro SD chip. The third component is our guard, so the sensor is not damaged from being submerged in the water.
Using our product, a lot of expenses could also be saved. This is because normally a 6-man team, as I mentioned before, is approximately $7,600. By using our new product, a maximum of 4 people would be needed to handle this, and therefore the tickets would be approximately $4,100 from New York to Shanghai. That would be approximately a $3,500 decrease, and that's a lot of money that will be saved. Besides that, the drone will cost about $800 to $1,200, but that's a one-time purchase. And lastly, the experiment I mentioned before, including a computer, pH tester, tables, might be needed, but once again, those are one-time purchases, and overall, we can save approximately $1,000 to up to $3,000.
Using this new system, data collection will become much more efficient as drones can travel up to 10 miles per hour and reach places, and you wouldn't have to set things up manually, being able to do it right automatically. When those tests happen, those tests will be immediately sent to the water analysis scientists via cloud, making data collection more efficient too.
Using our system, data collection is much more accurate. For instance, because we are using a micro SD card, the data is more secure. Also, there's no human error because it's all controlled by a machine. Additionally, there's a larger sample size because we are able to get more data in the same amount of time.
The markets for pH testing in the real world range from not only biotech companies but also lab-based companies. So one way we decided to establish our market was look at the 2018 Interfex convention, then go specifically and look up companies that needed water pH testing for labware. And we came up with a list of over 175 companies that are willing and able to fund pH testing services